the equity markets, the Nifty opened on a flat note today and continued to drift lower throughout the day. And once it closed below the crucial support of the 8500 level mark, the selling pressure even intensified, and the Nifty ultimately ended the day on a negative note, down 100 points in today's trading session. The market base was also negative, with 473 advances to 1056 declines. The BSE Mid Cap Index and the BSE Small Cap Index were down almost around 1% in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, Infosys, TCS, HDFC Bank, Reliance, M&M, Tata Motors, L&T were some of the losers in today's trading session, while ITC, ONGC, Coal India, Bharti, Cipla, Sun Pharma managed to close in the positive. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has decisively broken this upward sloping channel on the downside. It has closed below the crucial support of the 8500 level mark, and it has also closed below the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average. The daily momentum indicator, which was having a negative crossover, however, in today's trading session, we have got the price confirmation. It has now closed below crucial supports. So considering all these factors, we change our short-term trend to down for a target of 80 to 80. Our sense is that the rally, which started from the lows of 77.23, has ended at the high of 86.26, and now we are expecting a retracement of this entire move that we saw. On the downside, 80 to 80, which is the 38.2% retracement of this rise from 77.23 up till 86.26, is a crucial support. Before that, 83.15, which is a 40-day exponential moving average, is also a crucial support. So in the coming trading sessions, we are expecting a fall in the Nifty. On the downside, 83.15 and 82.80 would be our short-term targets on the downside, with a reversal placed at the high of 86.26. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that once it broke below the crucial support of the 8500, the selling pressure intensified and the selling never stopped. Until the last half an hour of the trading session, the Nifty was hitting at crucial day's low. So that indicates that the selling pressure or the selling might continue in the coming trading sessions. Also on the hourly charts, we can observe that the prices are moving along the lower Bollinger Band, that is the hourly lower Bollinger Band, which is expanding in nature. Which also indicates that the fall shall continue in the coming trading sessions. So the strategy to play or to trade in Nifty should be to sell on rises near resistance, look for some weakness and go short. On the upside, crucial resistances where traders can look for shorting is placed at 85.27, which is around the area of the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and above that 85.88, which is yesterday's high or the last trading session's high, is a crucial resistance. On the downside, 8400 and 83.53 are crucial supports. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty has closed exactly on this upward sloping support trend line. However, we feel that the Bank Nifty trend is also negative following the negative closing that we have got on the Nifty. The reason for that is in wave 5, the Bank Nifty has formed an ending diagonal pattern, which is a trend reversal pattern, and also indicates that the up move from here onwards is limited. So every bounce that the Bank Nifty gives should be used as a selling opportunity. The daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover along with a negative divergence. So that also indicates that the Bank Nifty has reached a crucial medium term to a short term resistance area. So until the high or until the swing high is not crossed, the strategy to play in Bank Nifty also is to go short on rises. near resistance. On the Bank Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 18,400 and 18,140. On the upside, 18,930 and 19,100 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, in today's trading sessions, the Nifty and Bank Nifty have seen a trend reversal, and as a result of that, we have changed our short-term trend to negative for a target of 80 to 80 on the downside for Nifty. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8400 and 8353. Crucial resistances are placed at 8527 and 8588. So that's all for the day.